right, we're bulldozing the shack. We're taking out the shack in the spot. We got old Spanky right here. This is old Spanky. Are we taking out the shack?
Yeah, we are.
He's in the bulldozer right now. Look, we got carbon fiber wheels. We're taking it. We're taking it down. You're going down, and we don't give a fudge. You're going down, you stupid shack, and you can kiss my ass. The shack's going down. I'll tell him in a crazy voice. Yell and scream. Tell him in a crazy voice.
I'm a bulldozer shack.
And say it mean.
I'm a bulldozer shack.
No, go like this. We're taking the shack down.
We're taking the shack down.
The shack's going down.
The shack's going down.
We're taking the shack down in our bulldozer, and there's nothing you can do to stop us. You can't stop the funk, baby. The funk. You can't stop the funky monkey funk. You ain't stopping us now. We're taking down the shack, aren't we?
Here we are.
And as any good Christian man would do, on a stack of frickin' Bibles, we're taking down the stupid shack, and you can okay? Are we taking it down?
Yeah.
We're taking it down, aren't we?
Yeah,
You got the key? I don't care about the spider. There's lots of spiders in the shack. And the shack's going down. It's going down, mofo. We're taking it down, aren't we?
Yeah, we are.
We're taking it down. One brick at a time. One frickin' brick. One moment of Armageddon. We're taking down. Are we taking down the shack?
We are.
Tell him, scream it like you.
We're
Tell him
taking
that
down
you
the
scream
shack.
and scream it like you mean it.
We're taking down the shack.
The shack's going down, and Peter Piper and a pack of pickled peppers get Peter Piper back and pick a back better than the shack, 'cause the shack's going down faster than Peter Piper can pick a back of pickled peppers. The shack's going down.